Learn English to Gujarati business words. Resource 2.
પ્રમાણની આર્થિક બચત.
Welcome to your business word adventure. Hey, you are about to learn serious business vocabulary without sounding like a sleepy spreadsheet. We will keep it practical, funny, and easy to repeat aloud. Today you will learn these English to Gujarati words. Resource is.
સંસાધન.
Potential is.
સંભાવના.
Capacity is.
ક્ષમતા.
Bandwidth is.
બેન્ડવિડ્થ.
Frame is.
ફ્રેમ.
Budget framework is.
બજેટ માળખું.
Capital requirement is.
મૂડીની જરૂરિયાત.
And economies of scale is.
પ્રમાણની આર્થિક બચત.
Yes, that last one is long, but you can do this. The office of mild chaos. Let's enter a tiny office where the coffee is weak, the dreams are huge, and the printer has emotional issues. This story will help you remember all the words in context. On Monday morning, Mira walked into the startup office and said, "First, we need a better."
સંસાધન.
Everyone looked confused because Raj thought she meant a gold fountain pen. But Mira explained, time is a.
સંસાધન.
Money is a.
સંસાધન.
And even a helpful intern with snacks is a.
સંસાધન.
Quote. Then she pointed at a shy new idea on the whiteboard. This idea has real.
સંભાવના.
She said. The idea was an app that reminded people to drink water and stop buying 12 notebooks they would never use. Strange? Yes. Useful? Maybe. That is.
સંભાવના.
Next, they checked the meeting room. It was tiny. Raj asked, "What is the rooms?"
ક્ષમતા.
Mira replied, 5 people, or 3 people and 1 dramatic backpack. So the room had limited.
ક્ષમતા.
Just then, the internet froze during an important call. The screen stopped on the boss's face in a very unfortunate expression. "We need more,"
બેન્ડવિડ્થ.
shouted Raj. Low.
બેન્ડવિડ્થ.
Had turned the meeting into modern art. On the wall hung a motivational poster in a wooden
ફ્રેમ.
Nobody knew who put it there. It said, "Dream big, but answer emails." The poster's
ફ્રેમ.
was nicer than the advice. After lunch, the team built a.
બજેટ માળખું.
Mira said, without a clear.
બજેટ માળખું.
We will spend all our money on branding, biscuits, and a chair nobody needs. Everyone nodded because this had already happened once. Then came the serious question, the.
મૂડીની જરૂરિયાત.
How much money did they need to launch? Raj made a spreadsheet, the spreadsheet crashed, and then he made another spreadsheet. At last he said, "Our
મૂડીની જરૂરિયાત.
is bigger than our snack budget and smaller than my panic." Finally, Mira smiled and said, "If we grow, we can get."
પ્રમાણની આર્થિક બચત.
Raj blinked. Mira explained, "If we produce more, each unit can cost less." That is.
પ્રમાણની આર્થિક બચત.
Raj nodded slowly like a man who understood, or at least wanted lunch again. Quick word power. Now let's pull the words out of the story and make them super clear. Repeat them after me if you want to sound impressively competent. Resource.
સંસાધન.
Example. Water is an important.
સંસાધન.
Potential.
સંભાવના.
Example. This idea has great.
સંભાવના.
Capacity.
ક્ષમતા.
Example. The hall reached full.
ક્ષમતા.
Bandwidth.
બેન્ડવિડ્થ.
Example. We need more.
બેન્ડવિડ્થ.
For the meeting. Frame.
ફ્રેમ.
Example. The photo is in a silver.
ફ્રેમ.
Budget framework.
બજેટ માળખું.
Example. We need a clear.
બજેટ માળખું.
Before planning expenses. Capital requirement.
મૂડીની જરૂરિયાત.
Example. The company calculated its.
મૂડીની જરૂરિયાત.
Economies of scale.
પ્રમાણની આર્થિક બચત.
Example. Large factories benefit from.
પ્રમાણની આર્થિક બચત.
Mini dialogues with maximum drama. You are going to hear these words in short dialogues now. Imagine office people trying very hard to look calm. A. Do we have enough learning material? B. Yes, this book is a great.
संसाधन.
A. Does this project have a future? B. Yes, it has real.
संभावना.
A. How many people fit in this room? B. Its
क्षमता.
is 50. A. Why is the video call freezing? B. Because the
bandwidth.
is too low. A. Where is the family photo? B. It is in the
frame.
on the desk. A. Do we have a financial structure yet? B. Yes, here is the
बजेट माळखું.
A. How much funding do we need? B. Our
મૂડીની જરૂરિયાત.
is high. A. Why are costs falling as production grows? B. Because of
પ્રમાણની આર્થિક બચત.
funny memory tricks. Let's make the words stick in your brain like a note on a fridge. Silly images help more than serious eyebrows. 4.
સંસાધન.
Imagine a treasure chest full of water, books, tools, and snacks. Everything useful is a resource. 4.
સંભાવના.
Imagine a tiny potato saying, I have the potential to become glorious fries. 4.
ક્ષમતા.
Imagine a tiny teacup claiming it has the capacity of a swimming pool. Bold, wrong, memorable. 4.
bandwidth.
Imagine a sandwich asking for more bandwidth, not breadwidth. 4.
frame.
Imagine a photo refusing to smile until it gets a fancy frame. 4.
બજેટ માળખું.
Imagine a calculator with glasses saying, no spending until I see the plan. 4.
મૂડીની જરૂરિયાત.
Imagine a piggy bank giving a business lecture. 4.
પ્રમાણની આર્થિક બચત.
Imagine a factory making so much tea that even the teacups become cheaper. Your turn challenge. Okay, now you do a little work. Do not worry, this is the friendly kind of challenge, not the surprise exam kind. Say the Gujarati word for resource. Answer.
સંસાધન.
Say the Gujarati word for potential. Answer.
સંભાવના.
Say the Gujarati word for capacity. Answer.
ક્ષમતા.
Say the Gujarati word for bandwidth. Answer.
bandwidth.
Say the Gujarati word for frame. Answer.
frame.
Say the Gujarati phrase for budget framework. Answer.
બજેટ માળખું.
Say the Gujarati phrase for capital requirement. Answer.
મૂડીની જરૂરિયાત.
Say the Gujarati phrase for economies of scale. Answer.
પ્રમાણની આર્થિક બચત.
A tiny culture and usage tip. Here is a helpful note before you go using these words like a multilingual business wizard. Some are formal, some are modern loanwords, and that is completely normal. Words like
frame.
and
bandwidth.
are modern and sound quite natural in practical conversation, especially in technology or office settings. More formal phrases like
મૂડીની જરૂરિયાત.
and
પ્રમાણની આર્થિક બચત.
are especially useful in business, economics, study, and presentations. If you can say these confidently, you already sound much more advanced. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned a solid set of English to Gujarati business words without falling asleep in a meeting chair. Today you practiced
સંસાધન. સંભાવના. ક્ષમતા. bandwidth. frame. બજેટ માળખું. મૂડીની જરૂરિયાત.
and.
પ્રમાણની આર્થિક બચત.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the tricky ones again tomorrow, and trust your progress. You have real.
સંભાવના.
And yes, that was a vocabulary joke.